Welcome everyone. Today we are taking a quick and honest look at the original PRUSA CORE One 3D printer, a reliable enclosed CoreXY machine built for creators who want quality that lasts. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this 3D printer at the best price. The Core One follows PRUSA's made-to-last philosophy, and you can feel that the moment you start assembling it because the all-steel exoskeleton frame is solid, stable, and clearly designed for long-term use rather than shortcuts. This is a DIY kit, but the process is fun, well-documented, and very beginner-friendly, making it a great learning experience instead of a frustrating one. Once assembled, automatic calibration takes over, so bed leveling and setup are handled with minimal effort, letting you focus on printing rather than tuning. The enclosed chamber with active temperature control up to 55 degrees Celsius is a major advantage, especially if you plan to print more than just PLA, since PETG, ASA, PC, and Nylon all benefit from stable internal temperatures. Print quality is exactly what PRUSA is known for, with consistent layers, accurate dimensions, and dependable results even during longer jobs. And the CoreXY motion system keeps speeds high without sacrificing precision. The removable print sheets make part removal easy and reduce the risk of damaging prints or the build surface, which is a small detail that makes daily use much smoother. The included PRUSAment PLA sample is enough to get started right away, and PRUSA's lifetime technical support adds real value over time. On the downside, the price is clearly premium, and the DIY kit means you need patience during assembly, which may not suit users who want instant out-of-the-box printing. The machine is also heavy, so it needs a solid workspace. Overall, the original PRUSA CORE One is an excellent long-term investment for beginners who want to grow and experienced users who want reliability, and checking the link in the description below is the smartest way to see current pricing and decide if it fits your setup.